Hey guys, so this is for horizontal dilation to fill out a table. The original function was f of x equals to 2 to the x, and then of course the inverse would be log base 2 of x. When you see f of x over 4, the x over 4 is inside of the parentheses, so that means that that will be a horizontal dilation. And then since it's inside the parentheses, you need to do the opposite. So instead of by 1/4, it's going to be by 4. So what that means is that you're going to change the x coordinate of this. So you're going to go -1, and you're going to multiply that by 4. You're going to leave the y coordinate alone. So this is going to become -4, 1/2. The next point would be 0, 1. So same thing, and take 0, multiply it by 4, leave the 1 alone, so that'll be 0, 1, and then 1 times 4, 2, that'll be 4, 2. To get the inverse function is pretty simple. All you have to do is switch the x and y coordinate. So this one, it'll become 1/2, -4. And then 1, 0, and then 2, 4. Now what is its effect on the inverse? You need to think the opposite. So instead of horizontal, it's going to be now a vertical dilation. It's still gonna be by a factor of 4. This is in the description. In the description, the factor does not change. But if you're trying to write it out in terms of function, so the inverse function, you're going to use f to the -1x. That's the notation for the inverse. Okay. Now the effect on the inverse is that it's a vertical dilation by 4. So where does the 4 go? It's a vertical dilation, so therefore the 4 is going to go right in front.